You better start, you piece of shit. This is the Simions. This trucker in front of us is full of Jim Beam. We're about to hijack it. Booby's driving it. He thinks he's going to take our Jim Beam away with that son of a cuck. He's got another thing coming. Oh my god.
Alright, hold it still. I'm going to get on the fucking top of the car and jump out.
Oh my god, Urkel's gone.
Hold it steady!
Step on it! Oh my god.
Steady.
Booby's got a minigun.
Hold it steady! God, jump!
Oh my. Get ready!
I'm getting on the side!
Dude, you're going to kill us.
I'm just...
Go under like Fast and the Furious. Hey, don't get over. This truck. Oh my god, Booby called back up.
Was there some kid walking?
Shut up! Oh my god!